I've already been asked probably 50 odd times now, is this a custom paint job? No. I haven't even had it a week, but it could be one of those cars that stays with me. Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. Today I'm doing a video on both my cars, my BMW Z3 and my little Fiat 500 Yugo. There's a couple of things I want to sort out. I need to take some pictures of Yugo for the insurances, because it's an old car. They want to make sure that it is an old car and everything. I've never had to do that before, but I had a email and a letter come through saying they wanted that, so I've got to do that. Also, my new car, my BMW Z3, I've got a logo created for my YouTube channel. They're actually in this drawer right here, so I'm going to get them out, show you them. Also, we have new parts for Yugo. I got these two new indicator lenses for Yugo. They're actually the entire indicator, the piece that goes in the car as well, behind the back piece that holds the bulb. You can't really buy the lenses on their own, they come in a set, so I had to buy two new ones. But basically Yugo come with clear ones, and I think I got to change them to these amber now. I did replace the old ones with new clear ones quite a while back, did do a video on it, but I thought we'll change them back to amber. I've also in this box here got new side repeaters, so that's good. Some of my models I'm working on at the moment. And yeah, let me show you my new design. So here we go. Like I said, I was working on a design for my YouTube decor that can go on all my cars. Some doodling and, you know, just coming up with some ideas and everything like that. And then this is basically what I ended up with. ED31, EasyDriver 31. And I've done a couple of copies here. I'm no artist, but I like the way that turned out, so I messaged my friend at Dark Moon Decors. Here you go. Check them out on Instagram and Facebook. I've also had decors from them before for my model building when I was doing a Last of Us diorama that I still yet to finish. But I messaged them, like, can you possibly help me with this design and that, and I would like it done as a sticker. So we did, we got it all sorted, and they sent me this envelope. Won't show you the other side because obviously my address. And this is what I got. So they are here, you can see. So I got two white, two purple, and then I went for a black as well. There might be another black with the purple actually. There we go. So I've done two black, two purple for now, and two white. And I really like the way it looks. So I'm going to take one of each down to the Z3, and the Z3 is going to be the first one to get one of these decors, and we'll see which one looks better. Reason I went for purple, because I wasn't sure if I would still have the Porsche by then. Not that it would have looked any good on the Porsche because it's purple. You probably wouldn't see it, so I probably would have put a white one on the Porsche or something, or maybe a grey one at a later date. But yeah, we'll take one of each down and see which looks better, and I'll set the tripod up and then I'll show you me applying them. Also got these two. So these are for Yugo's windows. Obviously I had the same on the Porsche. I'll get rid of the FIAT, and then I'll just cut that so we have just a camera and EasyDriver 31. But that's my Instagram. If you want to follow all my cars on Instagram, then please head over there and follow me. I also do car spotting as well, always on the lookout for classic cars and unique cars, so they end up on the Instagram and that. Okay, so I'm down here in the carport. We have Yugo here, new fan. We also have my new BMW Z3. I'm absolutely in love with this car. I drove it yesterday for a good 2 hours, and that was it. I actually think this could be a car that would be like Yugo, end up staying with me for the rest of my life. Yugo's not going anywhere. Obviously, Yugo is just such the cutest little Fiat 500 in the world. But I'm starting to think this could be one of those cars, and I haven't even had it a week, but it could be one of those cars that stays with me. And even if I got to find a place to put it, because I'm driving it, and I really fall in love with it. Now, it's obviously very, very different to driving my Porsche 911. The power's not there, you know, there's a number of things. But I'm really enjoying driving it. I just love how it feels. It really feels like a 90s car to drive. In a way, it feels like driving Yugo. Now, that's a long shot because Yugo is a very, very unique car to drive. But I don't know, it just has that unique feeling like I get when I'm driving Yugo, when I'm driving it. I will just show you some things. Obviously, I did say about some of the problems when I bought it. Now, the guys I bought it from, they are in talks with me and they are going to get it all sorted. You know, most companies would have vanished by now and you wouldn't be able to get hold of them. But these guys are really helping out. I thought it was a mark, but it was just some water. I did wash it yesterday and it's absolutely filthy because our roads. I had to go out this morning and yeah, I don't know if you can see that. It was very filthy. Also, no floor mats come with this one, which I knew that. So I've got floor mats coming. They should be here today, which is great. Also, I couldn't show you in the last unveiling of the car, but here's the arm of the chair. Now, I've looked at a couple online, and these were completely gone, like ripped holes in them. And it's because the driver's chair, you know, when you get in and out of the car, you rub against this. So it's very common. This can happen in any car. It was even happening in the Porsche. And fortunately this one's not ripped, so I am taking care when getting in and out of the car. Blue leather seats, which is nice. In most shots they look black, but they are blue. I will be looking at getting the anti-roll bars, the actual head roll bars to go behind the seats here. Modification wise, there's not really going to be too much happening with this car. I want to keep it original. That was the plan all along. So I'm not planning on, you know, putting a wing on it, changing the body work and everything like that, changing the wheels. This is a car that's going to stay as original as possible as it gets very windy. One of the reasons the car's so dusty today because the wind. I did pressure wash the carport the other day. So yeah, that's I will do a separate video of the stuff that I'm planning on doing on this Z3, but there's not going to be too much because, like I said, I want to keep it as original as possible. Like I said, I would bring all three colours down. I don't think we'll be using the purple, but we will see what it looks like. So let's place them on that. So first of all, the hashtag. I need to get scissors actually. But the hashtag, I'm thinking either there or there. That might be better thinking about it, so we'll leave that in for now. Okay. Sorry about that, I had to go and grab the scissors. So what I'm going to do is just cut the at out because we don't want to use that. Then all we got to do is clean up the area, which is only dust on here at the moment, so that's good. Make sure there's no dirt, just so when you put a decal on you don't get any dirt underneath it because that will create bubbles. So what you do is you peel this one off, make sure the number's attached. And all we got to do, basically, get it straight on the car. So I'm thinking somewhere, steady, be careful, right. And also, there we go, just rub it on with there we go. Obviously on the Porsche they went on the window. So a little bit different. Now shut up. And all we do, stuck very well that. The underscore. Oh, still not stuck. There we go. Make sure it's on there. Steady. You can probably hear the dog. She just wants to communicate with everyone that walks by. There we go. Not bad. Right, let's get the little camera on now. There we go. sure it's on there. And you know, I've had these on the Porsche on the windows for a long time, and I was washing the Porsche probably once a week. So you know, I was always looking after the Porsche, making sure it's clean, and not once did they ever look like they was peeling off. So that's good. There we go. Steady. There we go. Now it does seem like it's facing down. That's the way I designed it. Going back to my paperwork and that, I wanted it so if you line the top up here, it's going down, so it's like a slope. I did try loads of different designs, and there's a few up there I showed you. Obviously there's a couple more, but this is what I ended up with, and I like it. This is going to be my signature stamp, let's say. There we go then. ED31. Yeah, I like that. That looks really good. And obviously the hashtag there looks good. I did worry that it might be too much going on because you got the hashtag and then obviously my logo. But no, I like it. It looks good. I didn't want to put it on the left side just because obviously the left side is closer to the curb, and I think people would see it more on this side. But there we go. That looks good. Make sure we put them away. Obviously on the Porsche it was on the windows at the back here. I haven't got that because it's convertible. So yeah, but there we go. So just in case you've missed it, this is my new car, my very filthy car, my BMW Z3 in Fiji green, which is a special edition they done. I've already been asked probably 50 odd times now, is this a custom paint job? No, it's not. It's completely factory original. So yeah, but like I said, I'm going to do a separate video on the stuff I want to do to this car. I'm not going to go stupid and, you know, alloys, spoiler. I want to keep it as original as possible. But there we go, deco's applied. I lied, there's not too much to do with Yugo. I took pictures for the insurance lot. They just want to, I'm guessing, I've never had to do it before, but they want to make sure Yugo's a classic car, I think. And he is a classic car, you know, he is 100% original. There's nothing in him that is not original. So yeah, there's the tripod I use. But yeah, there we go. So that's going to be it for this video. Sorry I haven't taken neither car out. I want to get these decors sorted. I'm probably going to do a video of me washing the Z3 next. I didn't do that at the Porsche, thinking about it. Maybe I should have done that. But the Porsches were a new owner now. But yeah, I'm going to do a separate video on it of washing it. And then we'll do a video of talking about some of the stuff I want to do to it and everything. But like I said, we're not going stupid. I will keep it original. But yeah, so thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you like my deco design I done. 100% me. I spent probably 2 days sat at a kitchen table designing that. I wanted to do one for a while, and I thought, like, I just need to sit down and do it. So that's what I've done. So thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you all very soon with more videos on my Z3.